What's up guys, today we are going on the Viking adventure. I'm really excited and it looks like it's an amazing G-Force. I'm really excited and we're at Marineland. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to Vlogger, share the video with family and friends. So let's hop into it. Okay, now we just got off the Viking adventure. It looked really fun with my friends, and it looks super fun. And now we are getting off, and we're gonna do other videos like this and hit the notification bell for more fun videos like this and other ones. And share the video with family and friends. So bye.